So, back at it. We back on the road. Time for us to go meet a new buyer for Vixen. So we headed down the road another little hour. We're gonna head out to Summit Racing, meet up with him, see how about this bike. Stay tuned. It's Christmas, fun, work, and happiness. Oh, you see it.
You see it.
Highway time. So how do you feel that you're getting rid of your first bike? Bittersweet?
Yeah.
You got Helen now.
Yep. Got good old Helen. Vixen.
Take the exit, then turn left onto State Route
I got
155.
pictures and memories of Vixen. It's a good time. I got burnout. My first burnout. My first mob
Use the
ride.
left lane to turn onto State Route 155.
Just a lot of things. Just us going out. Me making the boys think that it's a chopper, but it's not. It's a chopper. I'm just saying. No. Bittersweet. My first baby.
We're here. We're moving on here. We're here, y'all.
Hi, baby. Vixen is out of here, y'all.
The reason why we didn't let me go because it's like we stunt rides. It's like
Yeah, bro.
this is for more cruising and all that. And then it's like we don't want to tear it up.
All my life, bro. That's all I've.
No.
I got a V86. I got a 600 I didn't post yet. I got another 250 Enduro.
I'm talking about being in DVDs, videos, circle wheelies, no hand wheelies, the whole deal. Like, like.
What's that, CBR?
Yeah, that's back in the day right there. So this is another first right here. That was a 929. So this is FYI. I've been doing this thing.
And this is the one of all right here. You got the cruising and it's the lift up the stunt ride.
What you gear it? Or no.
Yeah, I got it just pretty much a little bit, but everything else is pretty much stopped. Only thing I do is just put the high performance filter on it.
You gonna be able to get it out that way if the scooter.
And you were some guys that rolled in out that way, Douglasville on 20. It was they called themselves Atlanta Stunt Monkeys back in the day.
Give me
Drew.
Give me a key out of it inside.
The other one ain't either. What's the Brahms ain't either. Does it have a bad flooding problem if I leave it with the fuel on, or do I need to cut that fuel off?
Just cut the fuel off.
From the carburetor.
So no bad shit in it.
How many miles on it?
29.
It was my starter bike, so.
Oh, okay. Absolutely.
This is another former stunt rider, man.
That's probably my damn son's.
It has new tires on it.
You got okay. New tire? Yeah, we're good.
New tires on it.
We're gonna live with it.
Yeah. So when I
Just
first
in
got
that
it, it
cash app.
had knobbies on it, so we put new tires on it.
Look like they about to enjoy it.
I want to look at the title and the VIN and then that's
Oh,
it.
you fine.
Yeah, do the paperwork right. Do the paperwork right.
Yeah, that's right. Absolutely.
So what you
Yes.
think, man? Experience, man. How you think it was?
We're good. We were smooth. We came out. Everything you said was like it was. We met up.
That's right.
Easy to go.
Won't do no
And
fraud
done.
business, man.
No, we don't do none of that. Can you, Jazz? I need you to sing this cash out.
So how's your experience and everything?
Hey, you guys came right out. It was like you said it was gonna be. Like you would expect it to be. Right? It's Christmas Day.
Yep.
You met up with me. We're getting this bike
For
to
your
my son, and we're
Mhm.
good. It's not for him. It's actually for that one, but
Oh,
he's got a little permit, so he's gonna ride on home.
okay, cool.
So,
And
thank
last
you guys
thing I
very
need
much.
to
You're
say
professional.
is you see it.
You see it.
Thank you.
Oh, you see it.
It might not have an indicator. Rock the bike.
They do.
It does? Okay. Clutch in. Pick it up. That's it. Relax.
Wrong gear. Baby, ride on.
No.
The second one now. Another good, satisfied Christmas. I tell you, we're working even when you're not working. Stuntland coming soon. Bittersweet. I hate to see my baby go, but we got more to go, and we got pretty more to sell. So stay tuned. Thanks, bike to bike, man. Bike to bike.